All right, once you have your website up, your mobile site has been uploaded, just like I have here. Okay, you can see on the screen, I've got my normal website, and I actually uploaded two mobile sites here. I only need one. I'm going to go ahead and delete the second one. I just did that as a demo for uploading a template using cPanel. So I'm just going to get rid of that. So if I had my main website has an index file, right? Well, that index file has to be accessed to insert a mobile detect script, okay? Because think about this, when people visit your website, so here's the website here, they visit, let me go ahead to the main site, they visit this site here, and if this was not mobile friendly, you would need this to be redirected to a mobile template, right? So let's just imagine this is Three Pillars Attorney, this is their site, and when somebody uses a smartphone, an iPhone or whatever, you want them redirected to this, okay? Now, in order for that to take place, you need to have access to the index file of the main site. So if you're doing this for a client, you need to have access to their cPanel, or you need access to their hosting account so you can access this main index file. Okay, so I have the main index file here. I'm going to double click on it. You can see this is the main index file. It doesn't have all the styling or anything, so that's what it looks like. Let me go ahead and open this file. Now let me show you what I use to open my files. Let me get rid of this. This is that index file. I'm going to use a program called Edit Plus. All right, now it's I think it's a 30-day free trial you can get with Edit Plus, but it just kind of really cleanly shows me all these different codes, and I'm not much for looking at code, but I do know one thing. I need a mobile device detect to fit right before this closing head tag here, okay? Now, let me show you a website. This is a website called Code Canyon. All right, so you can go to codecanyon.net and you can do a search for mobile device detect, and you can have all these different types of mobile devices detect scripts that pop up. And you can see they're not, very expensive. So you can pick some of these up if you're going to use them with clients. I mean, they may have different stipulations here, like they may have an extended license that you have to buy. This is for the regular license. So per client, you'd have to just, use the regular license. But if you wanted to use this thing for a bunch of clients, just buy the $25 device detect. Now, I am including for you a very simple mobile device detection. It's called MDD Lite. Okay, this is a script that came out a while back, and it's very simplistic. It may or may not work for your particular device. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up using Edit Plus. You can see this is the script. It starts here and it ends right here with this closing script tag. Now there's just one place in here that you need to change, and that's the mobile site here. You can see it's HTTP // You need to change this out to whatever your website URL is. Okay, in this case, it's trying to find mobile demo online / mobile. Okay, let me copy that URL. Now you see this is the mobile site. You need to put in the location for the mobile site. So let me go ahead and paste that right in here. Okay. Now just make sure you don't double up on the HTTPs, but I have mobile demo online / mobile. Okay. So that script is now ready to go. All I have to do is just copy this script. I'm just going to excuse me, copy that. I'm going to go to my index file here. Now here's the opening head tag. This is the closing head tag. I just need it somewhere in here. You can see there's already one script here. There's another script here. Those are JavaScript lines. You don't need to know anything about that, but I'm going to paste it right in there. Okay? So this device or this site should now get redirected. So let me go ahead and save it. I'm going to close out of everything here. Now this is my new index file. Okay? It's my new index file. Now with that index file, I need to replace the current index file. So let me go ahead and just drop my new file in there. It's going to ask me to overwrite it. I'm going to hit overwrite, and that's it. Okay? So now, if I go to mobile demo online, it should get redirected. Let me test this out in a mobile emulator. All right, to test it out, I want to go to Google Chrome. Let me remove this from the background. I go to Google Chrome and I use the developer tools. So with your Chrome browser, you can go ahead and go to this menu right here up at the top. Okay, actually, let me move this over a little bit. You go to the menu, go to more tools, and then I go over to developer tools. Now, the developer tools kind of simulates for you these different devices. You can see that there's devices up here at top. There's an iPad. It shows you what it looks like on the iPhone 4, iPhone 5. All right, so let me go ahead and let's start with the iPhone 4. If I put in my URL, you see I put mobiledemo.online in the browser window and hit enter. See, you can see that it redirected to my mobile device. So that's what the iPhone 4 is displaying. If I go to iPhone 5, and it looks like it redirects for all of them. Okay, so there's the iPhone 6. So that just shows me that it's working, that the redirect code is working, because I paste the URL in my browser and Google Chrome is simulating what it would look like on your mobile device. Okay? So that's how you insert your mobile device detect script. You need to make sure that you access your index file. Okay? In another video, I'll show you how to do it using a WordPress install. But if it's just a regular HTML website, which I sell a lot of mobile devices to owners of HTML websites, it makes it very easy to edit. You just edit this one file, and across the board, you should be able to have this mobile device working for you as long as you insert the script before the closing head tag. Okay, hope that video made sense. I know it can get a little bit technical doing some of the mobile device detect, but it is necessary for you to have your website redirect to a mobile version of the site. Take care.